Hello, thanks for joining me. Welcome to another T-shirt design. My name is David Osamoje, owner and founder of What a T-shirt Design. Thanks for yesterday's video. Thanks for watching to the end. I hope you do the same with this video. So without wasting much of your time, I would like to go straight right to it. I don't like to go through different fronts and back, just to, I know you are here to see the design. Let's go make it. So to start with, I'll open Canva. I'm going to be doing Canva T-shirt design. Yes, I'm going to be designing in Canva, so it's going to be a Canva T-shirt design tutorial. I hope you stick around to the very end. It's very important you watch every simple step. It's going to be first step, the design, putting the design together, saving it from Canva, uploading it on your shirt, and that is it. So please, I want you to stay through these three major steps. Stay through this major step, watch it, and if you enjoyed the video, please drop a like, comment. If you want to see a special kind of design, it's the Valentine season, so all my design from now till the Valentine is going to be based on love. So without wasting much of your time, let's go design this one. So we click on design, custom dimension. The standard is 4500 by 5400. This is the standard by Match by Amazon, and if you design with this for Redbubble, which I normally use, you're going to get a very high quality design. You click on design, it's going to open a new tab. So in this design, I'm not going to waste much of your time. Just give me that little time. Thanks for giving me that little time. I hope we both help each other here. You watch to the end, you gain something new. It helps me create more video, it motivates me to create more video. So without wasting much of your time, I'll come to element, because that's where I want to start with. I'll come to element, shapes. So I'll just create a shape, just create a shape here. So this is easy to resize. You just have to come to these edges and left click and drag inward or outward, depending on how you want it to be. When you are done, you click outside, click back in, then you just try to center it in the middle. You see that red? Yes, that's your guide. You just center it in the middle the way you want it. And for this box, I don't want it gray, I want it black, so I'll come here and make that black. I'll make that black. Should I make it not total black? Make it like this. So the next step, I'll come to text and just find it very good like this. You can see that is it. So you just from one edge increase it. As you can see, they are grouped, so I will group them because I don't want this ribby or whatever you call it. So just delete that. Highlight this, sorry, I'll just highlight this, and it will just say Ctrl A, love 100%. That's what I want. So I'll just increase this, and I'll take it into this. You can see now that's love 100%. So I want to change it from black to white, Now we are almost done. This is just the first step. So now I already had an element which I already downloaded for this, so I'll just bring it in. So to do that, I'll come to upload, come to and type rows. Yeah, this is it. So I'll just open this. It's going to upload here. As you can see, it's going to load here. It's going to load, so I'll just leave it to load. So now it has loaded. I'll just click on this and it comes into this. I'll just drag it up. As you can see, just drag it up. So that's it. So the next step, we already have this, so let me see if it's let me center this. Okay, yes, this is centered. So now the next step, as you can see, we have our design up. So now if you see, I'm using the free version, which we will download to download with the sorry about that, it's going to download with the white background. So if you want a free 30-day trial to use Canva Pro free, which can enable you use without the white background, just let me know in the comment. Just tell me 30 days pro, 30 days pro, and I'll send you the 30 days pro link, which you can use for 30 days to get this design, to do your designs without the white background. But for the meantime, the way it is, you can only upload it to a white shirt. But if you stick around to the end, so this video is just about 6 minutes now. If you stick around to the end, I will show you the hard way. If you don't want to pay for Canva Pro, which I see no reason why you should not pay for Canva Pro, you can just pay for it. It's about $12. Just request the link, I'll send it to you, and you get Canva Pro for a month free. But for the meantime, click on this down arrow, say suggestion PNG, so that you get the high quality. You just click on download. Just click on download. So now it's downloaded. As you can see, it's downloaded. If we open it, show folder, this is it. This is it. A simple design, but I'm super sure this will sell on Match by Amazon, Teespring, Redbubble. Please don't copy my design directly. You can change the colors, you can change the rows, you can change the write-up, but don't copy my design directly. It's going to be classified as copyright infringement on any of this site, because by the time you are watching this, it will already be on Match by Amazon. So I will advise you, don't copy my design directly. So now the next step will be to open it in Photoshop. I'll open it in Photoshop. This step is for the guys that don't have money and want to go through that stress. You need to have Photoshop to do this. You need to have Photoshop to do this. If you want to go through this stress, you must have Photoshop to do this. So now what I'm going to do next is create a new layer. As you can see, I'll come back to this layer. I'll right click. You can see it's rectorized. So all I have to do is, since I'm already on that, this tool called magic wrap tool, I'll just click on this. As you can see, all I have to do now is click on delete. You can see it has given me that background, but if you notice, there's still some extras, some other parts we did not get the white. So I'll just click on it like this. Love, I want it to be transparent. The O, same thing. The V, same thing. The E, same thing. So I'll just do this for all. So when you click on it, it highlights. You click on your delete button, it highlights. You click on your delete button, it highlights. Click on your delete button, it highlights. Click on your delete button, it highlights. Click on your delete button. So if you notice, if you go closer, you see there's some extras. So I'll just do that, get that out, and I think that's all. So now if I come here, I can move this around. You see, it does not have the inner background again, so we are good to go with this design. All I have to do now is save it as love. Save as pictures, love 100%. Save it as PNG. Save. It's saving, as you can see. Saving here, as you can see. We'll just wait for that to finish. Wait for it to finish. It should finish soon. Okay, now it's done. And if I come now to pictures, love, I come down and find my design. This is it. As you can see, if I open it now, it won't have the white background. You can see it's that simple, not complicated. Now all I have to do for the final stage is to move it into my 3D mockup. As you can see, all my videos have the 3D mockup. Sorry, pictures, mockup. So to get this 3D mockup, all you have to do is go to a site called FreePic. Just go to FreePic and type in T-shirt mockup. And when you type in T-shirt mockup, you should download this, and it works only on Photoshop. So if you don't have Photoshop, you need Photoshop for this. So I'll just come to design, delete this design, as you can see, and now I'll bring in my new design, love. This is it. So I'll just drag this into my Canva. As you can see, it's quite big and I don't want it to be this big, so I'll just hover my mouse to this edge. Then I'll do 3 buttons. I'll press 3 buttons down, my Alt key button, my Shift key button, my left mouse key button. I'll just drag inwards. So when I'm dragged inwards and I'm okay with it, I'll press enter. Then I'll come over here and just save this. Once I save this, it's going to appear my shirt, as you can see. So my shirt, but I want to increase it just a bit, so I'll do Ctrl T, over my mouse to this edge, Alt key button, Shift key button, left mouse key button, drag outward to increase a bit, and press enter. Then I'll come back and save this. Should appear on my shirt, but as you can see, it's not so cool on a white shirt, and it's supposed to be at the chest level. So I'll just move this up so that it appears chest level, and I'll save again. So now you can see chest level. So I'll just come here. As you can see, on the white shirt, better on a white shirt. So now I will just save this, save as picture, love, 100% full version. I'll just save this as PNG. Voila, we have our design. So please, for your right hand side, you see some other playlists. I would advise you watch all those other playlists, and please subscribe. See you tomorrow. Love you. Bye.